The next is the 8735SGC series, and it includes the AOC, the APA, the APG, and the AB helmets. These helmets have a big window, 3.78 by 2.09 viewing area, an external variable shade control from 9 to 13 with external grind mode selection. Has 4 arc sensors, an internal dial, adjustability, sensitivity, and delay, with a new 2.5 OptiClear lens light state for better vision and easier setup and grinding. It has an industrial design lens and has been Colts Lab, ANSI, and CSA tested and approved. It darkens at a speed of 1/25 thousandths of a second and can go down to a low amp TIG rating of 5. It is solar powered with replaceable CR2450 batteries. It comes equipped with a new comfortable 6-point adjustable headgear and the ability to use diopter or cheater lenses. This also has a 2-year lens warranty, and replacement parts are readily available from our Appleton warehouse.